Our next unit is graphing equations of lines, and we're going to start by interpreting solutions to these equations. So our essential question is, why are certain points on a line and other points are not? We're going to find that out today. There are three different types of equations of lines that we're going to be looking at in this unit, and the first, and the one you're probably familiar with, is slope-intercept form. So we're going to check to see if this ordered pair 2, 1 is a solution to the equation y equals 2x minus 3. As a reminder, ordered pairs are x, y, so we're going to sub 2 for x. Remember, when a number and a variable are stuck together, it means multiply, so we're going to do 2 times 2, and we're going to see if that equals 1. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. So yes, 2, 1 is a solution to the equation y equals 2x minus 3. I have the graph of the line here, so we're going to check to see that 2, 1 is on the line. Remember, x, we graph to the left or right, so we're going to go right 2 and then up 1 to find that ordered pair 2, 1, and it is in fact on the line because it makes the equation true. Our next example, we're going to check to see if negative 8, 10 is a solution to the equation y equals negative 1/4 x plus 7. So we still have slope-intercept form, but this time our slope is a fraction. Again, our ordered pair is x, y, so we're going to replace y with 10, and we're going to replace x with negative 8. We will multiply that by our fraction of negative 1/4. For those of you who are less comfortable with fractions, you might find it helpful to put your integer over 1 when we multiply it by our negative 1/4. And just like we saw in our solving equations units where we cleared the fraction, we're going to do negative 8 divided by negative 4 is positive 2. The negative times the negative cancel, plus 7. And does 10 equal 2 plus 7 or 9? This time the answer is no, so negative 8, 10 is not a solution to this equation. Just like the first example, we've got the graph of this line here. Plotting the point negative 8, 10, we will go left 8 and up 10, and we can see that that point is not on the line of our equation because it does not make the equation true. The second type of equation we're going to look at this unit is called point-slope form. Same process as the first example. We're going to replace our y with negative 3, and we're going to replace our x with 10. Negative 3 minus 8, if you spend $3 and you spend 8 more, you have spent $11. On the right-hand side, we're going to follow order of operations. So we're going to do what's inside the grouping symbol first, and then we're going to multiply it by a negative 1. Of course, negative 11 does not equal negative 5, so 10, negative 3 is not a solution to this equation. I've got this line graphed for you as well, plotting our point. We're going to go right 10 and down 3, and again we can see that that point is not on our line because it does not make the equation true. And finally, we're going to take a look at standard form. So we have our x, y coordinate. We're going to replace both x and y with 3. Order of operations, I will multiply my 6 times 3 first. 18 minus 3 is 15, and 15 does equal 15. So yes, this point is a solution, which means it is on the line. Once again, we're going to find that right 3, up 3. And this time our ordered pair is on the line because it does make the equation true. You have 3 U-try questions, 1 in each form.